Students, so here we are going to start our new topic of chapter number 4. As in previous we have revised our chapter and we have done worksheet. So now here, before starting new topic, here are some question. Have you ever noticed why cooking utensils are made up of a metal, not of a paper or plastic? Means जो किचन में हम अपने यूटेंसिल्स यूज करते हैं, they are made up of metal. Second question, why do we not use a cotton cloth or paper bag make a tumbler for storing water? क्यों नहीं कर सकते हम पेपर बैग में या फिर क्लॉथ बैग में? कैन वी स्टोर वाटर? नो. सो here are some answers. Here are answer of these question. Cooking utensils are made up of metal because metal can conduct heat and do not catches fire. Metal can conduct heat, right? क्योंकि वो हीट को, मेटल के अंदर ये क्वालिटी होता है, इट कैन ट्रांसफर हीट from one to another particle, right? And it do not catches fire. Second, cotton cloth does not hold water, so it is not suitable to make tumbler. What do you understand by these two questions, children? Means the different material is for different use. We cannot use all the material for the same purpose. किसी मटेरियल का वर्क कुछ है, किसी मटेरियल का वर्क कुछ है. So here thus different properties of material make them suitable for different uses. Means their properties are making them suitable for different purpose, कि how we can use them for which purpose. These properties help us to sort material into groups on the basis of their suitability for specific use. Means these properties can help us to sort the material for their uses. Like we are saying that cooking utensils, we are keeping all the cooking utensils in the kitchen so that we can get them very easily, because we are using them for same purpose, right? So on these question, from these question we can conclude that different materials are for different purpose and their properties are also different. So here comes our new topic, that is properties of materials. Like different materials are having different properties, some are same, some are different, right? So here first is appearance. Appearance means, children, the looking, how a material look. All the materials usually looking different from each other. Here I have given you some example, but you can see example around you only. Your pencil box, your bag, you are sitting on chair, you are sitting on bed, you are eating food in plate, you are using plate and bowls, right? So these all are different from each other and we are using them for different purpose. Here is the example, wood are different from glass, gold is different from paper. Wood is rough but glass is smooth. Gold is lustrous, lustrous means shiny, chamkila, but paper is not. The shine present in a material is known as luster, right? So they are different from each other, children. So this is the first property of material. Here comes second property of material, that is hardness. You must have observed, children, all the materials are not soft and all the materials are not hard. Like example, you can see that soft toys or simple toys which you have, that is soft, very soft. But the wooden toy, the metallic toy which you are using, that is very hard. You cannot press them very easily, right? The second topic comes hardness. The material, they cannot be compressed. Compressed means which you cannot press. Those are called hard. The material that can be compressed are called soft. Example, it is difficult to press wooden block but easy to press a soft toy. When we scratch one material with another, the one that gets scratched is softer than the other one. So I am giving you simple example. Here we have written, if we scratch iron nail on soap, soap के ऊपर अगर आप iron nail को और ऑल पिन को और सेफ्टी पिन को, if you are scratching them, So who will get scratched? Soap, because soap is more softer than, or soap is softer than your oil pin, safety pin or iron nail. Simple example. This is very simple example, and other example also you can take, that if crayon color, you have crayons all and iron nail. If you are taking iron nail or you are taking any pin and you are scratching that crayons with this iron nail or with the any safety pin or any pin, who will get scratched? Definitely your crayon. Why? Because it is softer than your pen. Clear? So I hope children now these properties of materials are clear to you now. In next session we'll read about other properties of material. Thank you.